Alright guys, so I am about to sleep now. But before that, there is a cool app by the way in which we could get benefited for just sleeping and incentivized at the same time. Who doesn't want that? So if you want to find out what it is, so I suggest that you should stay tuned until the end of this video. So GM everyone, this is Nomad Fury. So before we begin, kindly acknowledge the disclaimer that I have right here in this video and in the description, as this is only intended for educational and informative purposes. And just to be fair and transparent to all, this video review and insight of mine is going to be unbiased. So if you choose to take part of this opportunity, well, that's on you. Your money, your decision, your risk, your responsibility. Because cryptocurrency projects like this one have substantial risk and are prone to high volatility depending on the market conditions. And not only that, this doesn't give any promises or astronomical guaranteed returns, so I am not promoting any financial or investment advice. So participate at your own risk. Well anyways, let's begin. Okay guys, so this is what I'm going to talk about, WeSleep. So just simply head over to WeSleep.io. So I provided all the source links right here on my video description. So it's all about eating, sleeping, earning, and repeat. So they have already released the MVP of their app. So we will be trying it later on. I am going to show to you a clip about it. And they will be having a private sale as well. And also you can follow their official social media channels for you to stay updated about their latest developments. And of course, these are the NFTs that they have. And they're being mentioned in these various media sites. Okay, so these are the sleepies. So only 5,555 units are going to be sold at the Magic Eden within 2 hours. So these are the Genesis collection for these sleepies. Okay, so about them, of course, here is some information. So it's a Web3 app with inbuilt GameFi elements, rewarding users like us for our sleep time, as well as incentivizing us to build a healthier and more active lifestyle. So not only that we could get benefited from just sleeping, but we also have other tasks like walking 5,000 steps, a 1 kilometer run, and have a 30-minute workout session, and hopefully more to come. And we receive token rewards as well that can be swapped to stablecoin, as well as providing access to special promo deals from their partners such as diet plans, gym memberships, wearables, and so much more. So that is about them. And for their application, so the pre-beta version is now live. So they have the NFT marketplace, the in-app wallet, the daily tasks, the health data tracking, and of course, the B2B, 2C, and e-commerce platform. And of course, this is their roadmap as of today. And this is what we are going to expect in the upcoming ones. And of course, WES is the ticker symbol of WeSleep. So this is the tokenomics, guys. Okay, so it's under the Binance Smart Chain. And this is where they're going to allocate their tokens. Okay. And of course, meet the team behind WeSleep, from the CEO down to the rest of the team. And here are their partners on board. And of course, you could also watch their YouTube videos. And of course, if you have some proposals, so you could contact them via email. And of course, you can subscribe to them. And here are their important links, especially the white paper and light paper, for you to learn some in-depth information regarding WeSleep. And of course, guys, they have an upcoming campaign on the Comunitas Launchpad. So as you can see right here, it will start on April 14th, 9 a.m. UTC. And you can see the other details right here, guys. And more information such as the Booster 1, the Booster 2, the first come first serve round, the community round, and the other details that you need to know. We may not know what will happen next to the token after it gets listed in the exchanges later on, whether if it goes up or goes down. There are no guarantees or promises about it. So participate at your own risk. Now, it's time for us to head over to their application, which is under the beta phase. So, without further ado, let's head over to my clip. Alright, so we are now on the app page of WeSleep. So this is what we are going to expect. You could see the installation guides right here for both the Android and the iOS and its specific instructions. But since I am using an Android phone, so this is where we are going to focus. Now, to get started for Android, so we open this link. This is how it looks like, guys, after we open the link. So it's under 1.0 version. So all we have to do is to download, install application first. Make sure that you allow third-party installations. So we will be incentivized, for staying healthy, especially on getting more sleep quality. So now that the app is installed, all right, so there's an ad. Make sure that WeSleep is safe for us to use. Okay, so I click open. So you can see right here, guys. So play to earn. So we could earn moons just for tracking our sleep time. Really interesting. We can compete with friends as well, like the most sleep time, burning the most calories, and walk the most steps, and building healthy habits, which is the very important thing. Okay, so I click sign up first. For instance, I am going to continue with Google. Your WeSleep account was successfully created. So we could earn moon points, monetize our sleep time. That's really interesting. So we take a tour. So this is the dashboard, guys. Okay, so you can see there's a weekly task like burning 2,000 calories, walking 5,000 steps, sleep for at least 7 hours, swim 500 meters, and cycling 1,000 meters. Okay, so let's head over to the market. So for this sleepies, for the NFT marketplace, it's still coming soon. So for more information, you can see the roadmap. So it's in the website, and of course the rank. So speaking about the competing with your friends, so you could see right here the leaderboard. So from the first place down to the other ones right here, guys. Okay, that's just about it. And for the wallet, so just like the NFT marketplace, it's also coming soon. Okay, so this is my sleepy for now. I don't have any stats because it is still in the pre-beta version. And of course, you could change your sleepy picture here. For instance, I am going to choose this one, and then I am going to click save changes. And there you go. All right, it says Health Connect is supported on this device, but it's not currently installed. So make sure that I'm going to install the Health Connect. So we install the Health Connect and sync it to the WeSleep. So I'm going to install it. Okay, so we have installed the Health Connect. So this is how it looks like. Allow WeSleep to access Health Connect. So I will enable allow all and then click allow. So that's just about it. And of course, we can check our profile here, guys. Okay, so I click in that, and you can see the profile. I'm still at level 0, and we can also edit our profile, passwords, language, and so on. Okay, about my quick, honest insights about WeSleep. So I find their app really interesting, although that it's still in the beta stages, and there are some features that are not yet available, but with this app, of course, it really motivates us to stay healthy, not just in the short term, but long term as well, because we value our health. So with this app alone for WeSleep, so I find it very interesting and useful, in which we could get rewarded with tokens for having a better sleep quality, doing some exercises, walking, and so much more. Health plus Web3. That is an interesting concept. Starting off with this one-of-a-kind WeSleep app. So kudos to the team for doing a great job in putting up this project together, so that we will be happy and motivated every single day to be healthy by just using this app and apply. And of course, these CPs are very cute as well. So far, they're still in the early stages of development. We have yet to see the final version of it, so that's gonna be exciting, by the way. But of course, when it comes to the token side of it, well, we just have to prepare for the unexpected, because their token, just like any other cryptocurrencies out there, after the IDO and gets listed in exchanges, well, there are no guarantees or promises when it comes to the value of the token. So let's just see about that later on in their future developments. So there you have it, guys. At least I have shared to you regarding WeSleep, especially on how the app works, their upcoming campaign on the Comunitas Launchpad, and so much more. So if you want more information, so I provided all the source links right here on my video description. So once again, peeps, kindly acknowledge the disclaimer that I have right here in this video and in the description, as this is only intended for educational and informative purposes. And just to be fair and transparent to all, this video review and insight of mine is going to be unbiased. So if you choose to participate on this opportunity, well, that's on you, your money, your decision, your risk, your responsibility. Because cryptocurrency projects like this are subject to substantial risk and are prone to high volatility depending on the market conditions. And not only that, this doesn't give any promises or astronomical guaranteed returns. I am not promoting any financial or investment advice here. This is just pure information. So proceed with caution. So if you think that this video is quite helpful and valuable to you, kindly do not hesitate or think twice in sharing this to your crypto and non-crypto friends out there, especially those who are so enthusiastic about crypto, Web3, and so much more. So I do have a question for you. Did you enjoy watching this video? Has this video helped you a lot and gives value in any way? And what do you think about it? Just let me know right here in the comment section. So once again, this is Nomad Fury and I'll see you all on my next video.